Welcome back to the channel, guys. So I just ran up to Harbor Freight. They're having their 40% off deal for the sockets right now. That's Monday through Thursday, I think. And then on the weekend, it'll be what's called 40% off for everybody else. So I ended up going to Harbor Freight just a little bit ago. Let me unbox these and I'll show you what I got. So, one, set the phone for a second over here. Hold on. Alright guys, so I ended up getting 1/4 inch deep well. I needed those, and some SAE 3/8 impact, and I ended up picking up a set of SAE Allen head, well, hex bits, I call them Allen heads, then the famous 10 mil set. So it has everything you need basically. So yeah, I'm gonna put these in the drawer, then I'm gonna show you what it looks like. I'll show you right now what it looks like. I'm still missing some stuff. I'm still slowly getting stuff organized. So like, I still need 3/8 short impact. I have a new set coming of the deep for Icon from my mom. That's for the deep SAE. So like this is more specialty stuff in the very back than the SAE. So like, yeah, I'm missing some, and I'm still missing some, but it'll be filled out in a minute. So I'll show you guys in a minute when I get it put everything away. Alright guys, so I just got everything put away. Not really too much that I did. So now I got all my 1/4 inch is all complete now. And there's the 3/8 Allen heads. I don't have another organizer for it right now, but that's just going to sit there. And there's all my 3/8 right now. Impact. I don't really use a lot of impact right now, so, or not impact, SAE. So if I really need one of these sizes, I'll just go out and buy the impact socket itself. And no deep right now. Maybe later this week when they're still going on. And what's it called? All the 10 mils. I like this set, honestly. Yeah, it's not the best, but you know, all your variety of 10 mils. I just bought just to have it. And so yeah, got that, and that. So I'm happier. My toolbox is finally coming along better. I just need deep and shallow. Then I have all the sockets for these. I just don't have them here. It's in my mom's house. Alright guys, so today's Tuesday now. I ran back up to Harbor Freight and figured out what I wanted to get for next. So I ended up getting these. I'm probably going to keep these in the truck, maybe. I don't know yet. No, I got my flip socket, so I'm going to put those in my toolbox. Those always come in handy. And I got 2 impact sockets exchanged. 21 and a 22. So my collection's slowly building up. This is 20. So certain ones, yeah. 21, so it's slowly adding up. Like these, I have these for sale. These are regular chrome. So I keep chrome towards the front, impact towards the back because they're heavier. So 22 and 21, we got 23 and 13/16. Impact, this is just a 10. This is an extra 10 anyways. So yeah, that's for that. Then the other thing that I did pick up was, if I can get my hand out, or thing out, a set of metric 3/8 impact sockets so I can complete my set, or most of my set. So the extractors, those will come back out, and I'll put them on something else. But for now, yeah, like I said, you seen the last clip, I got SAE short, I just need SAE deep. But I'm thinking I'm going to wait maybe till the end of this week, then I'll get the Icon set so that can be filled out. So yeah, on that, that's pretty much it. These are going to be stored, or these are going to be like my nice snap-on sockets, like miscellaneous brand ones. That's like Snap-on Mac, whatever. But alright guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.